It is my pleasure to introduce to you Exploring Entertainment, a case study in design ethnography produced for NCR by MSc Design Ethnography students from the University of Dundee. Design ethnography is a toolkit for understanding people in their context, and using that understanding to inspire innovation. In this project, we investigated how the acquisition of films fits into people's lives. The ethnographic method is a series of convergences and divergences within the problem space, an iterative process during which one alternates between exploration and focus. The first step of the ethnographic process, scoping, is often glossed over because it is somewhat less glamorous and interesting than fieldwork and analysis. However, it is also the most important part of the project to get right. Scope creep kills projects. In this instance, we were offered the very large problem space of entertainment. Given the very short project timeline, we decided to focus specifically on movies. After narrowing the scope, it was time to begin our exploration of the problem space. Users can provide a lot of insight, however other resources must be investigated to understand the market ecology. Additionally, we intended to work in two small teams and wished to find a natural division in the problem space to exploit in order to better focus our fieldwork. We investigated points of movie consumer frustration, the DVD rental market, and patterns of entertainment acquisition. We also engaged in virtual ethnography, exploring the perceptions of the users as recorded online. From our exploration of the problem space, we arrived at what we felt was a natural split for our team. One group would focus fieldwork on users who were comfortable with technology. The other group would focus on users who were not so comfortable with technology. Thus focused, we entered the fieldwork phase of the study, in which we sallied forth to observe and listen to users. Each group developed an interview guide to assist in gathering information. We conducted 33 interviews in total with participants from a spread of age groups, occupations, and countries, in addition to 3 hours of pure observation. After completing the fieldwork, we began our analysis. We pulled important details from the records of our participant interactions, recorded them on post-its, and regrouped them until themes began to emerge. To our surprise, we discovered that there were not significant differences in the behaviors of tech-savvy and non-tech-savvy users. In fact, while non-tech-savvy users were excited about and willing to adopt new technologies, the tech-savvy participants were much more skeptical of the next great thing. These are the themes that emerged from our research. Further investigation around each of these areas of opportunity will provide insight for tailoring products and services to the desires of the user. Thank you for listening to our brief overview of the ethnographic process. We hope you enjoyed it. For this and other interesting things going on in the world of design ethnography at the University of Dundee, check out our blog at ethnologic.com.